The tree and the wind, a unique relationship with so many lessons. We need to be like a tree, as we have learnt many times in Heart Sea. But with the wind can attack us from all directions. It can become an angry wind and blow in our direction. The strong tree, which we want to be, will enrage the disbelievers. Nothing infuriates wind more than a strong Muslim with taqwa. And the wind will even try and uproot you. If it can't knock down your branches, it can't knock down the trunk, it will try and uproot you from the bottom. And as it tries to attack you, it has no chance because your roots are firmly embedded into the ground. You can look around and you can see many trees uprooted, easily snapped and fallen over, uprooted by the force of the wind. They are the hypocrites, whose weak roots are finally exposed. Wonderful lessons in the relationship between the tree and the wind.